Hey everybody, this is David Henry from LearnStageLighting.com, and in this series of videos, I'm going to teach you how to get up and running with the basics of the Onyx software. And so, naturally, the first thing we're going to need to do is install it. And if you haven't done this before, in this video, I'm going to walk you through those steps. Now, if you have Onyx installed already and you're running the latest version, please be sure to do that. Then skip ahead to the next video. Awesome. So here I am at obsidiancontrol.com. I'm going to click downloads, and this is going to take us to the downloads page. Now, I'm going to put the link direct to the downloads page here for you in the show notes of this YouTube video right below so that you have that. But if you don't have that in front of you, you can go ahead and navigate here manually through obsidiancontrol.com. So right here, it says download Onyx release under software download. Go ahead and download that file. While we're here, it's also really important that you have the latest Windows updates installed on your computer. Onyx relies on drivers that Windows provides, so make sure you've gone to updates in your Windows settings and made sure that everything is completely up to date. Even once it reboots from updating, if you've been a bit behind, go back to update, check for updates again, and make sure you're fully updated. Now, let's install Onyx. Once you get that file downloaded, go ahead and double click on it to install. And then we're going to follow the installer's instructions. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to do to get this going. Now, most versions in the future should not come up with this warning in Windows, the smart screen little pop-up. But if this does pop up, it's just letting you know that it's an unrecognized app. And just press more info and then press run anyway. Perfect. Now, it's going to start installing Onyx. We'll go ahead as the various pop-ups come up. You may not have seen that one. It always doesn't always screenshot well, but it was just asking for my permission to allow Onyx to install. Now, it's checked my computer and it's found that, hey, these various things are not installed and they need to be there for Onyx. So I'm going to press install and let these install. Once you've installed all the prerequisites successfully, you're going to see this. Now, all the drivers are downloaded and you can press OK. Now, the actual Onyx installer is going to launch. Press yes to continue if you get a pop-up from Windows 10. Once everything unpacks, you can now accept the terms in the license agreement and then press next. On this screen, it lets you know that you can install for current user only if you've had issues, but if you're just doing this for the first time, you haven't had any install issues before, just click install. Now it's going to go ahead and install Onyx. Some various windows are going to pop up, and especially when it gets to the fixture library, which is right here, it may take a few minutes because it's unpacking a whole lot of files. Once everything finishes installing, you now get this last screen where you can simply select to launch Onyx if you'd like, and then the program will launch once you press the finish button. Now you'll see Onyx launching for the very first time. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to launch your first show and explain the options that are going to pop up once the program launches.